back to my channel. For this week's video I decided to do a Euphoria makeup look or tutorial, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know if I'm going blind or if this is auto-focusing. Okay, let me shut up. Okay, so we're really up close and personal. And is this really even a Euphoria tutorial if I don't have clips in my hair? I know we're basic. Starting off, I uncurled my lashes because my eyelashes are super long. Not long, my eyelashes are curly and they have me looking real stupid. Taking a concealer and I'm just going to, I don't know if I should talk or do a voiceover. This is why I don't get things done. Oh my god. I should just fuck off, right? Like, somebody out there just doesn't want me to thrive, and I get it. So anyways, you know, it's funny because I did this like early this morning and I don't even remember what I did. I love Euphoria. It really gave me, like, I keep saying really, sorry, but it definitely gave me Degrassi mixed with Skins. The cinematography was beautiful and it still had like a relatable aspect but without seeming too cliche. And is this even a Euphoria like makeup look if I don't have clips in my hair? They're cute, so like why would I not jump on the wave? That's giving it some definition, honey. Can we literally just talk about how Jacob Elordi, my Australian king, deserves his Oscar? Like, where's the Emmy? I don't know. What do actors get? Oscars, right? He deserves it all. His performance was so good. Literally, he's such a good actor, and this was such a huge step up from the kissing booth. And he came, collected his coin, did what he had to do, and it was so good. Like, his character really made you hate him. I can't really like relate to Euphoria because I'm not addicted to coke or fentanyl, I think. But it did have like some relatable aspects because I'm like, hey, I see people who do drugs at parties, like how fun. Well, not fun, but you know what I mean. Like, I felt like a part of something because I could relate to some scenarios by living vicariously through other people. Because there isn't like a lot of thought. Well, there is, I don't know, there's a lot of thought that goes into like editorial makeup, but it kind of looks effortless, if that makes sense. Oh my god. Period. Oh my god, me after doing the bare minimum, but it looks so fun. Oh my god, I look like a new person. Somebody start playing the Labyrinth soundtrack, because I also changed my clips. Now these ones are pearls. I had one pearl and then one, this is like my Virgo constellation in star form, if you can see that. Really cute. But anyways, all I did was a tight line with a liquid eyeliner. And now I'm just going to put my lashes on and some like glitter. And we're ready to party. Like, we're smooth sailing. Alrighty. And then I'm just going to put my glitter on. And we're done. If you do want to watch Euphoria, it's probably for like a mature audience. But like, I don't know. I never really was restricted with what I could watch. My mom kind of let me watch anything and that's what I did. Oh my god. Period. Oh, I feel so powerful. Honestly, from rags to riches. Like, I wish I could act. I wish I could be like an actress or something, because man oh man, I would be sending in my Euphoria audition tape. I'm kidding. I don't have talent. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit of like purple. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of purple. And then I'm just gonna do glitter. And then we're done. And like maybe blush. And just like dot it right there. Can you see that? No, not really. Dude, I look like a whole different person. How fun! Whatever you're doing, I don't care if you're in class, stop what you're doing right now and do a editorial Euphoria makeup look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below telling me who your favorite Euphoria character is, because mine is definitely Fez and Liz. I also kind of like Cassie when she's not being weird. I really like her. I actually like her as a person too. Like, Sydney Sweeney is so pretty to me. Like, it's actually insane. Tell me what your favorite like teenage cliche TV show is, because mine is definitely Euphoria, but I did watch Skins and Degrassi. Anything with the high school like typical cliche, I'm all over. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite is. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you all next time with a new video. Bye.